unfortunately it's just taking longer than it should. Alright, so we're getting into the tea kettle. And from the looks of it, it's just a bunch of wires and stuff, so that's not too hard. Some screws and we'll get that inside stuff taken out. Go and we can cut this stuff and put it in a wire pile. Go. A few more snips and we'll be done. We'll be able to separate cables with the garbage. So, hunk of steel here. Some cables. So it has this nice board with some copper here. I'm going to remove the copper shielding here and keep that. So we got a nice little board here. There's IC chips, tantalum, and monolithic capacitors. We even got some gold on here. I think this would be considered a medium board. So that's always nice. Bunch of other crap here I've just been hoarding. So there's another medium board and some wires. That was pretty easy for scrapping. This is nice to have. I keep those. Those static bags are always useful.